Developing strong arguments for GMAT's Analytical Writing Assessment. Hello learners! In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the GMAT's Analytical Writing Assessment, specifically focusing on how to develop strong arguments. As you may know, this section is essential for showcasing your critical thinking and writing skills. So, let's get started. To succeed in the Analytical Writing Assessment, presenting a compelling argument is key. But what does that really mean? Clarity. Your argument should be clear, avoiding ambiguity. Relevance. Stick to the topic and make sure each point relates back to your main argument. Depth. Go beyond surface-level points and explore the issue in detail. Remember, a strong argument isn't just about stating your opinion. It's about presenting a well-thought-out viewpoint supported by evidence. Before diving into the writing itself, spend some time brainstorming. 1. Understand the prompt. Read it multiple times. Identify the main points and the underlying issues. 2. List down points. Jot down both sides of the argument. This helps in understanding the broader picture and anticipating counterarguments. 3. Organize your thoughts. Choose a clear stance. Select the strongest points to support your position and consider how you'll address potential counterarguments. Now, let's discuss how to structure your response. 1. Introduction. Begin with a clear thesis statement that expresses your main argument. 2. Body paragraphs. 3. Point 1. Start with your strongest supporting point. Explain it and provide evidence. 4. Point 2. Build on your argument. Provide additional evidence or examples. 5. Counterargument. Acknowledge the other side, but explain why your viewpoint is stronger or more relevant. 6. Conclusion. Summarize your argument, reinforcing your main points. Tip. Always ensure your examples are relevant and directly support your argument. A strong argument isn't just about content. Presentation matters too. Grammar and spelling. Ensure your writing is free from errors. It enhances credibility. Transitions. Use transition words to ensure your essay flows smoothly. Vary your sentences. Mix up sentence lengths and structures to keep the reader engaged. Review. Before finalizing, review your essay. Ensure that every point is relevant and adds value to your argument. Developing a strong argument for the GMAT's Analytical Writing Assessment is a combination of understanding the prompt, organizing your thoughts, crafting a compelling narrative, and polishing your writing. Remember, it's not just about stating your viewpoint but backing it up with solid evidence and clear reasoning. We hope this video has equipped you with the strategies needed to excel in this section. Happy studying, and best of luck on your GMAT journey.